Welcome to Unitech Mechatronics, Singapore. We've applied electronic skin for healthcare sector for almost 15 years. Some of our e-skin customers are prestigious in the world. For instance, Stanley Tools and the Cardinal Health from the United States, the Shadow Robot Company from the United Kingdom, Bosch from Germany, Hitachi from Japan, as well as NUS, NTU, and A-Star from Singapore. Our products also got worldwide positive reviews from various news agencies. Some of them are the world's top media companies, which include the New York Times from the US, Financial Times and Reuters from UK, Channel News Asia from Singapore, and the Japan Times from Japan. Our company produces different kinds of tactile sensing film for health and wellness, such as foot mat for early detection of diabetic foot, pressure sensing mat for sitting posture correction, active sensing glove for rehabilitation of patients suffering from hand myasthenia or stroke. A tactile sensing glove embedded with multiple tactile sensors can measure the pressure value of each sensing point and its corresponding position. An IoT device will prompt a patient wearing the glove to follow hand motion and manipulation instructions. The patient's finger bending angle, hand gesture, grasping position, and pressure will be shown on the IoT device to evaluate rehabilitation performance. The captured data from the glove can be uploaded to cloud server for further analysis. We would like to introduce our foot ulcer detection mat and tactile sensing glove. Foot ulcer detection mat has been used for diabetic patients. Patients with diabetic skin problem on their feet are risky to get amputation when the condition is worsening. However, the foot ulcer detection mat can help protect patients from the pre-diabetic foot syndrome. We provide a customized foot mat for a patient to stand on it and measure foot condition. The mobile app records the pressure value of each square unit at the bottom of the feet. Red represents areas of relatively high pressure, and violet areas of low pressure. In this pressure map, the highlighted spot is the area of the highest pressure, thus indicate a possible ulcer. The electronic board sends the data to a handheld device via Bluetooth to cloud server for further analysis of the health condition of the patient's feet. It can detect ulcer location and the size and alarm the risk and the trends of diabetic foot infection. The tactile sensing glove, embedded with multiple tactile sensors, can measure the applied pressure of each sensing point and its corresponding position in the array. Its pressure sensing layer is constructed with multiple rows and columns of piezoresistive sensing points. This can be applied on active sensing glove for rehabilitation of patients suffering from hand myasthenia or stroke. The active sensing glove for rehabilitation has been used by patients who are suffering from stroke. It not only uses the pneumatic air supply system to assist the patient to do passive training during the rehabilitation course, but also instruct them to do active rehabilitation during the mirror therapy. Here we use a mirror to create the illusion that the hand affected by the stroke is moving well and tricking the brain into believing what it sees. Although the patient has difficulty moving his hand after a stroke, the active sensing glove system gives him the opportunity to follow the default step-by-step instruction from the controller to improve movement in affected hand. Moreover, the pressure map app could also record the pressure information of the specific area of the glove and transfer results to the cloud server to find out the weak area of the disabled hand and give feedback to the controller, so that later the patient could get the instruction to do more rehabilitation on the weak fingers when he or she is doing mirror therapy. Improving the health of people in Singapore as well as countries around the world is a particular responsibility for us all. But of course, we certainly don't do this alone. Many of our key achievements have been realized in partnership with others, including the development of electronic skins for surgical glove, working with partner to make available sitting posture correction system. We work with so many talented and inspiring people to make these things happen. I'd like to thank all of them for their support. And lastly, let me just say that while we are incredibly proud of the applications of our world-famous techniques, we will not stand still. We remain strongly committed to providing various kinds of collaborations to improve healthcare and access to it for people all around the world. Our mode of collaboration includes OEM for manufacturer that customize tactile sensing robotic product, as well as licensing agreement, go-to-market commercialization, R&D collaboration, co-development, business partnership, co-investment, and testbed opportunity in an operational environment. We would also like to invite you to visit our booth for discussion at your convenience. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.